Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our video number 10. And here is our question, that is, write a program that asks the user for a list of names and then prints out the names in a alphabetical order. I just want to clear one thing, that from now onwards we will solve one exercise at the same time, because I've got the feedback from my students that they suggested me basically that ma'am, just do one video at the same time, because it is really difficult for us to practice all the 3 and 4 concept in a one video. So we'll make it short. So let's solve this question. Okay, I have already created the file name. This is going to be our 10th exercise, that is print names alphabetically. So let's use the variable name as names equal to, will ask the input from user, enter a list of names, and we'll use this split method to split this name by using comma. Okay, now we'll use the sort method to sort the names in alphabetical order. Names dot sort. We have seen sort in our previous video, like in video number 9 we have covered the sort method in list. Now let's print. We'll use the F, that is formatted string, sorted list of names. We'll use the placeholder and we'll write names. Okay, it should be in a double quotes, sorry. Okay, so first get the list of names from the user. After that we are sorting the names in a alphabetical order with the help of this sort method, and after that we are using this formatted string to print the sorted names. We'll write it here, print the sorted list of names. Let's save the file. Let's run the code. We'll enter the list of names. Afshan, Saman. We'll use Terry, Min, Ken. Let's hit enter. Okay, Afshan, Ken. Okay, so this is the sorted list of name. That is great. Let's run the program again. We'll use Bohan, Derek, Anna, and Surya, let's say. As you guys can see, it is sorted list. Anna, Bohan, Derek, Surya. Great. So our program is working. So I hope you will practice this question in your free time. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.